right arm up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And now we're going to turn to this side, and we'll go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The range of motion will be, you start here so position 1 is out like this, then 2, lifting the elbows so that you're flat like this, then, and without trying to raise the shoulders at the same time, which is interesting. Then 3, you rotate the palms front. Then 4, we go up. Then 5, we go back to palms front. Then 6, we drop the hand down. You should be able to do a 70-degree angle without raising your shoulder, in theory, so they say. And then we come back down to elbows in and hands out, and then come into your stomach. So that's 1 full cycle. And then open, and then elbows up, rotate up, reach up, back down into the L, and then rotate down your 70 degrees without raising your shoulders, but keeping your elbows up, which is, like, I notice myself being down here instead of up here. Then elbows come in, and then hands on your stomach. Then second set, open, elbows up, rotate up, reach up, come back down, rotate down, elbows in, touch your stomach. Set 3, open, elbows up, rotate up, reach up, back down, rotate down, elbows in, touch your stomach. Set 4, open, elbows up, rotate, reach, down, rotate down, elbows in, touch your stomach. 5, open, elbows up, rotate up, reach, back down, rotate down, elbows in, touch your stomach. 6, open, elbows up, rotate up, reach up, come back down, rotate down, elbows in, and touch your stomach. 7, open, elbows up, rotate up, reach up, come back down, rotate down, elbows in, touch your stomach. 8, open, elbows up, rotate up, reach up, back down, rotate down, elbows in, touch your stomach. Number 9, open, elbows up, rotate up, reach up, back down, rotate down, elbows in, touch your stomach. And last one, open, up, rotate, reach, back down, rotate down, elbows in, and touch your stomach. And here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and rotate to the right. And here we go. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Back, and we'll go. We'll do overhand here, and then turn and do underhand here, and swivel to overhand here, and swivel to underhand here, and 3 overhand here, and underhand here, and 4 overhand on the right, underhand on the left, and 5 overhand on the right, underhand on the left, and 6 overhand on the right, underhand on the left, 7 overhand on the right, underhand on the left, 8 overhand on the right, underhand on the left, overhand on the right, underhand on the left, 10 overhand on the right, underhand on the left, 11 and underhand, and 12 and underhand, and 13 underhand, and 14 underhand. Do the lateral pulls to the side. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, release, and 2, 2, 3, 4, release, and 3, 2, 3, 4, release, and was that 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, release, and 5, 2, 3, 4, release, and 6, 2, 3, 4, release, and 7, 2, 3, 4, release, and 8, 2, 3, 4, release, and 2 more, 9, 2, 3, 4, release, and last one, and 10, 2, 3, 4, and release. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, and 1 around, and swivel back, and swivel back, and set 3, and back, and 4, and back, and 5, and back, and 6, and back, and 7, and back, 8, back, 9, back, 10, back, 11, and back, and 12, come back, 13, come back, and last set, back to overhand.